Hi everyone. Welcome to this lesson about the simple past tense. Today, I will help you understand how to talk about things that happened in the past using simple and clear examples. Let's get started. The simple past tense is used to talk about actions that happened and finished in the past. For example, I watched a movie yesterday. You can see the action is complete and happened before now. To form the simple past for regular verbs, you usually add ed to the base verb. For example, walk becomes walked. But there are also irregular verbs where the past form changes completely, like go becomes went and eat becomes ate. These you just need to memorize. In positive sentences, the structure is simple. You put the subject first, then the past form of the verb, and then the object. For example, she played tennis or they visited the museum. Easy, right? For negatives, we use did not or the contraction didn't plus the base verb. So, instead of changing the verb, we use did not to make the sentence negative. For example, I did not watch TV last night, or he didn't go to school yesterday. To ask questions in the simple past, we use did plus subject plus base verb. For example, did you finish your homework? Or, did they play football? Notice, the verb stays in the base form after did. Time expressions are very important with the simple past. Words like yesterday, last week, ago, or in 2010 tell us when the action happened. For example, I saw her yesterday, or they moved here 2 years ago. Let's practice a bit. Complete these sentences with the correct form of the verb in simple past. Pause the video if you need more time. To summarize, use the simple past to talk about completed actions in the past. Add ed for regular verbs, memorize irregular verbs, use did not or didn't for negatives, and use did for questions. Keep practicing and it will become easy. Thanks so much for watching. If you like this lesson, please subscribe to my channel for more English tips and lessons. And don't forget to leave a comment if you have any questions. See you next time.